Okay guys, so this is gonna be a walk through the strategy. Well, actually a really cool helper I coded, and well, let's start off, and I'll just try my best to show what's on. So let's just turn everything off that you can't turn off. Okay, now obviously there's two modes, break and bounce, and there's clear, which clears the orders. Okay, so imagine I'm trading and I want to place an order here. So I feel like, let's say the market is going to break out at this point here, okay, and go short. So I want to place a short order right here, okay. How would I do that? I would have to go, and what is it, sell stop markets, okay, sell stop market, and then I just have to adjust it and so on and so forth. So a lot of work to do, okay. However, if I feel the market's going to break out right here, I can go just short place. How about that? Now you see it has a little offset, and that's actually an offset I'm be able to set in entry order offset parameter right here, which is 1 tick. I can set the offset to this side, and I can set the offset to the other side. So if I put -1, it'll actually make the order a bit closer. Okay, now watch this. If I have a feeling that this level is a bit too close, I can actually walk it to the next one, which is down here, and all I have to do is just press walk. As you can see, I've just walked it down by 1, and I can do this endlessly. So if I just have a feeling maybe that I should go for this one, I don't know if that one's low or not. Yeah, that one's slightly lower. I actually went for that one. And so on and so forth and so forth and so forth. You can see the order is just walking down these pivot points, okay? And I can just clear this at this point. So that was the long side. That was this breakout side. Now, however, I might have a feeling that at this level, I might actually, the market might just bounce off this level. So I just have to change this to bounce mode, but obviously I have to turn long on, and I just go place. So as you can see, this is now a limit buy order, okay? And I can do the same thing with walking, okay? And so on and so forth, okay? So that was the lower side. Now, I can also go for the other side right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, okay? So that would be the same. So, for example, let's say I have a feeling, and I believe this is the level here. I have a feeling that the market is just going to burst out, so I change this to break. I go long, and I go place. And you can see it places a buy stop order right here. And I can walk it up this time to this one, to this one, and to this one, etc. Okay? Now, I might have a feeling that the market might as well just bounce off this level, so I can just go and say bounce and place. If it bounces, it gets me confused. So obviously, if it bounces, this is going to be short. Yes, so there you go. So I'm going to place, and you can see this is a sell limit order right here, and I can walk it up the same way I walk the stop market buy order. Okay? So I can clear that. Now, if I'm, for example, happy with this short order right here, okay, and I'm, let's say, I don't know, I want to wait for what's going to happen right here. So, for example, if the market makes another green-red change, I want to actually move this order as close as possible, okay? So if I just press trade, okay, this order, you see, when it kind of changed the color again, it just moved the order, and it's going to do that. It's just going to track it down like that, okay, and so on and so forth. So let's watch the market go down. You can see, okay, there we are, we're in. And, well, hopefully we're out, okay? That was a good one, Okay. I'll have to review what this order hanging here was, but I'll just ignore it for now. So there's also a setting for when you enter, which allows you to set the target ticks and stop ticks. Okay, and pretty much I've been through the logic. Now, if you're interested, just follow to the website for the code review, which is huge. It's about 1,000 lines, I think even more. Okay, and so I'll be happy to take you through that.